Now let's go ahead and go over our offset tool. Go ahead and click on offset. And as you can see, when we move over our surfaces, the surfaces that we can offset become highlighted. Let's click on our surface on the side here and click on the edge once and drag your mouse, and you can see that we can offset this out or in. Let's move in the direction in, and let's offset this 4 inches by typing 4, enter. Let's do the same thing on this surface. 4 and enter. And let's offset this surface as well, but let's offset this one out 4 inches. Now let's go to the bottom of our model and let's offset this in 6 inches. Let's go ahead and go around our model and continue to offset these 4 inches in. Now let's go back to our push-pull tool and let's begin to push and pull some of these new surfaces that we have created. First, let's go under our model and let's push this surface as far as we can, and when it stops, it will clean up the face that it touches by deleting one of those faces. Now let's do the same thing with this surface. Let's push it in and click, and it will clean that up. Let's push this one in as far as it'll go and on the face, and it will clean that up. Now let's go ahead and pull these surfaces out 1 inch. 1 inch and enter. 1 inch, enter. 1 inch, enter. And 1 inch, enter. Now let's go ahead and clean up this model a little bit. Let's go to our erase tool and select these lines.